Every night, millions of people sleep, hoping for a better tomorrow. Every morning, we get them a step closer to that. You run your kitchens, get your vehicles going, and we power your factories. We are Green Future and Ambassador of Green Environment. We are Mahanagar Gas Limited. At MGL, our vision is to provide consumers with eco-friendly, safe, efficient, and reliable energy. Coupled with the strong mission of growing businesses and ushering in a greener future, MGL is supplying PNG and CNG to Mumbai, Thane, Mira Bhayandar, Bhivandi, Kalyan, Dombivli, Ambernath, Badlapur, Navi Mumbai, Panvel, and Raigad district. We are always in pursuit of excellence, encouraging creativity with the focus on innovation and commitment towards adding value to MGL and the society as a whole, ensuring that our customer is at the center of our every thought, decision, and action. As an ISO and OHSAS certified organization with 25 years of experience, we at MGL, each of us understands the profound impact that energy has in the way we live, grow, and advance. And together, we enable you to navigate the ever-changing landscape, achieving more and connecting the world with the power of energy. To maximize its reach and secure the supply network across the metropolis, MGL has set up 4 Citygate terminal stations at strategic locations: Wadala, Mahape in Navi Mumbai, Taloja, and Ambernath. Entering its 25th year of service, MGL has completed a pipeline network of 5,400 kilometers of steel and PE pipeline, serving over 0.74 million vehicles from over 250 CNG outlets, which have 1,481 dispensing points. PNG is connected to more than 1.24 million households and over 4,000 commercial and industrial establishments. Today, home, commercial kitchens as well as various industries are switching to PNG because of the various advantages it offers.
24/7 uninterrupted gas supply and the safety aspects makes the gas is a preferred choice.
It has been a wonderful journey with a seamless and dedicated experience offered by Mahanagar Gas Limited.
I reflect our association with MGL way back in 2003. After getting the PNG, we found that our LPG storage has reduced from 50 tons to hardly 10 tons. The quality issues were reduced. By doing so, we could have the carbon footprint reduction in our plant.
Just as homes and industries are switching to PNG, more and more public transport as well as private vehicles are using CNG supplied by MGL. CNG does not contaminate or dilute crankcase oil, giving the engine an extended life. It burns cleaner than fossil fuels and helps reduce the harmful vehicular exhaust gas emissions. CNG has a narrow flammability range and a higher ignition temperature, making it a much safer fuel. For Mahanagar Gas Limited, safety always comes at the forefront. PNG and CNG awareness sessions are regularly conducted to create a safe environment for the customers. At MGL, everyone has a duty and responsibility to ensure that life-saving rules are followed. The other important security measures taken by MGL are various checkpoints throughout the city, continuous pipeline surveillance, GIS mapping of entire pipeline network, security control room, vehicle tracking system in LCV, and the surveillance mobile bikes. Moreover, Mahanagar Gas Limited has 24/7 emergency response system in-house placed at strategic locations to ensure safe and reliable operations which can achieve an emergency response time of less than 30 minutes. At MGL, our customers are at the center of what we do. In the interest of the customer's convenience, the company has taken several customer-friendly initiatives. At MGL, customer service is a key pillar of our value proposition. be it making it easy for the customers to send their PNG meter reading via email, phone and our website, or connecting with us on the social media via Facebook and Twitter. Customers can also use our mobile app MGL Connect to upload their meter reading photographs via the app, or can simply SMS their meter reading via the mobile. We have multiple bill payment options, both online and offline, available for our customers. With the objective of providing a hassle-free and smooth customer experience for both retail and fleet operators, MGL launched MGL Fuel Card, an additional mode of payment along with cashback facility. MGL's futuristic approach is the engine that drives our innovation, which comes from studying and understanding the problem and finding a creative solution with the help of advanced technology. For a seamless supply chain management, MGL has a state-of-the-art stores facility at Taloja. In another breakthrough innovation initiative, MGL used HDD machines in Durgadi Creek for connecting Bhivandi and Kalyan area. For customers' convenience, MGL in partnership with builders launched a reticulated business model for providing PNG connection to under construction premises before the tenant moves in.
रेटिकुलेटेड बिजनेस मॉडल है, उसके तहत हमने हमारे इस वन विघ्ना पार्क के अंदर पाइप नेचुरल गैस प्रोवाइड करी, और हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट ये था कि जितने भी हमारे क्लाइंट्स हैं उनको पोजीशन से पहले हम ये पाइप नेचुरल गैस उनको प्रोवाइड कर दें। दूसरा जो हमारा एम था वो ये था कि हम इको फ्रेंडली सिस्टम से यहाँ काम करना चाहते हैं, और पाइप नेचुरल जो गैस है वो इको फ्रेंडली है।
Riding on technological innovation and execution, MGL supplied PNG connection to Soham Tropical Lagoon and executed the challenging job in a safe manner. With the constantly expanding energy infrastructure, with diversifications into LNG transportation, our efforts have reaped us awards and industry recognition for our safe, environment-friendly community initiatives. In the year 2016, when MGL crossed 2 decades of its operations, the company went public for the successful IPO, and it's listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. MGL, through its community outreach programs and initiative, continues to contribute and focus on education, environment and empowerment, thereby fostering the philosophy of taking care of the community for a sustainable tomorrow. MGL's sustained efforts have touched and enhanced lives, reflecting its commitment of serving for the community. Thus, being true to its tagline, Indhan Haryalika, MGL has been empowering people's lives by unlocking the power of green energy, leading us into the future. Keeping environment at the forefront, MGL is committed to help build a sustainable future, a world for better living.